Second is the oscillatory method. Place the chest piece of the stethoscope over the brachial artery, medial to the tendon of bicep. No sound will be heard initially. Close the Lee screw valve and inflate cuff till pressure is 30 to 40 mmHg, more than reading obtained in palpatory method. Mine is 110, so I'm doing till 140. Now gradually lower pressure till a sharp tapping sound in the rhythm of heartbeat is heard. Then further lowering, the sound undergoes series of changes called as Korotkov sound. The appearance of sound indicates systolic blood pressure and disappearance of sound indicates diastolic blood pressure. These sounds that you heard in your stato are Korotkov sound. The first phase starts with the sudden appearance of tapping sound, and the last phase, that is the complete disappearance of sound. The first phase marks the systolic BP and the last phase marks the diastolic